Hey, welcome to the Paige family homestead. My name is Peggy-Jean and Andy is on the camera.
I'm on the camera.
We just had a long day. We just finished 2 videos. I'm not wearing the same shirt over and over. We went to Costco, rushed back, and I thought, I didn't feel like junk food, did you?
No.
No. So, I know we just made them, but I did promise I'd show you when we used one, and like I said, these are our groceries. This is our beef stroganoff that we just did this week. I'm gonna open up a jar and show you how easy it is to make a meal for your husband or yourself or the kids.
For the family.
There we go. So, I'm gonna pour this into the strainer. See why a wide mouth jar is beneficial, guys? Yep. Okay, put that in the sink. Strain off as much as we can here.
And that will be the gravy.
Let that drip while I get the butter melted. What I've got in here is approximately 3 tablespoons of butter. Possibly a little bit more, but not by much. Oh, I need to hold the handle. Security. I got my water boiling for my egg noodles. Basically, what you're doing, you're going to make a beautiful beef stroganoff meal in the same time it would take to make craft dinner, right? You gotta boil the water for the noodles, and this is in about the same time, and it's just, oh my, what would you rather have, right? So you would typically serve this with a nice side salad, but to be fair to Andy and myself, I'm too tired.
Yeah.
I am so beat. So I'm very appreciative to this meal, let me tell you. So I've got my, I'm just making a roux, a gravy thickener. Got my equal parts of fat to flour. I'm gonna let that cook a little bit. Get that flour pasty taste out, right? You gotta let it cook. You getting in there, sweetie?
Yep. No, I'm not getting in there, it'll burn me.
I am a hamburger fiend. I could eat a hamburger every day of the week if it was made right. And I just wanted real food, and so did Andy. So I was let's crackle. Oh, you're so tired too.
Yep.
That was a very busy day. So busy day. Just gonna slowly pour the juice from the jar, or broth, right? All those flavors from the beef and the onion and the mushrooms.
I can smell it. It smells
and
good.
A little bit of wine we had in there. Just going to thicken it up some. So really the only addition we're doing is the flour and the butter and putting it on top of egg noodles, right?
Yep.
The reason we don't can it thickened already is we don't can product with flour in it. Guys, it swells and it can make problems. So how long does this take, right? Boom. Thank you. So we're just going to bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to put our solids back in when it thickens a bit.
Right.
And by that time I should be able to stick the noodles in there. Pretty much, close, almost. Boy, those flames lick around that thing, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta look into that. I can feel it on my fingers. I want to keep this video short, guys. I mean, real short. So I'm just gonna cut out right now, and I'm gonna go get the noodles and put them in. Okay, got it down to a nice boil. Thickening now. I'm gonna add in all these goodies. Put this in the sink. And I'm just gonna let this simmer. Wow. I do the noodles. Before I go, I just want to bring you in. I'm gonna get asked about this. I looked forever for one of these, couldn't find one. Check for estate sales, stuff like that. It's called, what it does, it's a jar key, okay? It's patent pending. It's a BC, I don't know, maybe you can get that emblem in there. I bought it from Amazon, guys. Look up jar key and see if you can find it. I like to open my lids as mint as I can on my canning jars. Not for reuse, but yes, for reuse. Not for canning, but for my dehydrated foods. It works. I mean, they're not damaged at all, right? It's worth the investment. And I think it was under $20. So, really, you know. Okay, water's boiling. We'll be back in 5 minutes or less because they don't take long, egg noodles, right? Thought I'd bring you back for a little tip and trick. When you're doing noodles or potatoes, you know how sometimes you step away, oh my gosh, they boil over? Wooden spoon. Not even kidding. Put a wooden spoon there and put your lid on. It's not proper. Let me fix that. I'm doing it with my left hand and I am right-handed. Here we go. There we go. That's not even right. Here. I am not a southpaw. Okay, there we go. No. There we go. So when that pot boils and it's going to boil over, it'll hit that wooden spoon and stall the boil over just long enough for you to get there and turn the heat down or move the pan off the source of heat, right? Trust me, it works. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's...
Oh, yeah. It's thickened beautifully. How's that, eh?
Oh,
Meal in a
good.
jar, guys. It's got
So
beautiful
simple.
mushrooms in there. It's got a nice homemade bun with butter. A little dollop sour cream. That's all he likes. And now, ready? So, meal in a jar. How easy was that? I'll go meet you at the table with Andy. Smells good. Meal in a jar, guys. For the same amount of time it takes to boil the egg noodles. The sauce is done quick. The contents of the jar is quicker than it takes to make the egg noodles. So, better than a quick burger?
Oh, I'm so tired of burgers and junk food. You know, it's good for once in a while, junk food, but then it just...
If we do it 3 days in a row, we're OD'd. OD'd.
Need chopsticks.
It's hot, honey. It's hot. I let it simmer while the egg noodles cooked. Good, eh?
It's beautiful.
I know. Tender.
Very tender, very tender.
And the sauce?
Sauce is really good.
So worth the time
so
to
easy.
can it.
So easy.
You could even make this for me if I was busy doing something. You could throw this, open the jar and throw it together. You know why?
Why?
There's a
'Cause I
video
can.
going to be on YouTube on how to thicken it.
Yeah. Okay, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below for what you think about the meal. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, ding, 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 so you get all our videos when they come up.
See you
Okay,
tomorrow.
we'll see you next one.
Bye.
Bye-bye.